In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the CS50 for Lawyers course from Harvard, step by step, even if you've never taken an online Harvard course before. CS50 for Lawyers is designed specifically for legal professionals who want to understand computer science, technology, and how it intersects with modern law practice. Whether you're a law student, practicing lawyer, or just curious about legal tech, this course is an incredible resource. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to enroll, how payment works, and how to start learning right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy-to-follow guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, to start CS50 for Lawyers, open your web browser and head to Harvard's official CS50 website. You can simply search for CS50 for Lawyers on Google, and you'll see the official Harvard link at the top of the results. Make sure you're clicking the official Harvard or edX page so you know you're in the right place and not on a third-party site. Once the page loads, you'll see an overview of the CS50 program and the different courses available. Take a moment to read through the description so you understand what the course covers and who it's designed for. Next, click on CS50 for Lawyers. This will take you to the dedicated course page where Harvard explains the structure, syllabus, and learning outcomes. On this page, you'll find details about the topics covered, such as cybersecurity, privacy, algorithms, and how technology impacts legal decision-making. Scroll down to review the course length, effort required per week, and the learning format. This helps you decide if the course fits your schedule. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button and click on Enroll. At this stage, you'll be asked to either sign in or create an account, usually through the edX platform. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, follow the prompts to create an account by entering your basic information. After logging in, you'll be guided to the enrollment and payment section. Here, you'll need to fill in your personal details, such as your name and email address, and then complete the payment process if you're choosing the verified or certificate track. Carefully review the pricing and options before confirming. Once payment is completed, your enrollment will be confirmed, and you'll receive an email with access details. Finally, you're ready to start the course. Go back to your dashboard, click on CS50 for Lawyers, and begin with the first lecture or module. You can now access the videos, readings, and assignments at your own pace. That's it. You've successfully accessed and started the CS50 for Lawyers course on Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.